Hi there. Now I will explain whether my Google Ads conversion tracking setup is working or not with a live share. So I need to go to my Google Tag Manager and Google Ads section, goal section. So first I go to my Google Tag Manager and open my conversions and Google goals section. I am here. So I created 3 tags for setting up Google Ads conversion for purchase, add to cart, begin checkout. It's clear. And also I created a conversion linker and Google Ads base code. Now we will checking if this setup is working or not. So I need to submit this tag and preview this. Now I am showing my created conversion to Google Ads section. Yes, those conversion are purchases, add to carts, begin checkout, and that you are seeing. I can see that all my status are inactive, and I need to active these conversions. So first I'm going to my Google Tag Manager and opening my preview mode. First I need to submit it. I submit it, click on submit and continue, publish. Yes, this part already published. Now I need to click on preview mode, click on the preview option, opening Google Tag Assistant. It's paste my website link to click on connect and opening my website. Yes, the Tag Assistant is connected with my website. I need to check if my conversion tracking setup is working or not. So first visit a product page like it and click on add to cart. It's my secondary conversion. After click on view cart for checkout and purchasing it. You know my created conversions are purchase and begin checkout and add to cart. Click on the checkout button and I need to fill up the forms. It's already filled with my saved information, so I click on the place order button, complete the purchase and show my thank you page. I have to go to GTM preview page to check if my Google Ads conversion tags are fired properly. Yes, I'm here. I see my tags are fired properly, like purchase, add to cart, begin checkout. After I have gone to my Google Ads goal section to check my conversion status, so I click on my conversion action steps. I see the status is still inactive now. I have to refresh this page to check it. Click to refresh. Yes, completely refresh it. Yes, I see my conversion status has changed from inactive to recent conversions. I hope you know it is received as a conversion when I run Google Ads and someone completes my targeted conversion like a purchase. So it's working now. Thanks for watching my testing video of the Google Ads conversion tracking setup. Bye bye.